Welcome back. It's Elon Kane here. Today we're diving into Google Sheets, a free tool that can save you hours of work and even boost your earnings. What if I told you that this simple spreadsheet you already have could act like your own digital assistant? One that organizes, calculates, and even automates tasks once you set it up. Imagine opening a sheet online with rows and columns that fill themselves. It's like having an assistant who never sleeps, who never forgets, and always gets the math right. That's exactly what Google Sheets can do for you. First, let's talk about automating repetitive tasks. Instead of typing data over and over, you can set up simple formulas and ready-made templates. Picture your sheet auto-filling cells while you sit back. Think of it like teaching your sheet once, then letting it repeat the process perfectly every time. Set it once and save time forever. Next, track your CPA campaigns in real time. You can link tracking data or import reports straight into Sheets. Now imagine a live dashboard with charts showing clicks, conversions, and payouts all in one place. It's like driving a car with a clear dashboard in front of you. With just one sheet, you monitor all your campaigns like a pro. Finally, use it to spot hidden profit opportunities. When all your numbers sit side by side, patterns start to pop out. You can see which offers are worth scaling and which ones drain your budget. Picture shining a flashlight over a chart and suddenly seeing the gold cells stand out. It's like discovering money left on the table. Organized data shows you exactly where the profit is hiding. Here's something important: check the description below for helpful tools and templates. They make setting up your Google Sheets even easier, save you hours, and plug directly into your workflow. So remember, automate tasks, track in real time, and spot profit opportunities. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, share with a friend, and let me know in the comments how you're using Google Sheets. This is Elon Kane, and I'll see you in the next one.